it's like this. Let's get it.
Into the camera? Okay, we'll remember that.
See what happens.
I don't like that.
No, it's too much. Wait, start from the beginning? We don't know. Okay. So, for this, for whatever we're gonna get right now, let's just be still. You already know what time it is. I need a Rolex. Like have your body and your.
Raindrops, it's split then, Gabby. Stretch it out. Not the band-aid here. Subtly wipe the bottom of your chin off. Like you have something on your chin. Woo!
You already know what time it is. I need a Rolex. Yeah, so that we wake up.
I got to the frame so I can see what's going on here.
Frame. I am the frame. What about this? What Instagram? Hate it.
Push your feet more towards the camera to distort it.
Yeah.
Turn this way so we have like I'm gonna turn this way, and but our eyes looking.
Just play with the camera.
This how it was? Was that interview? No, it wasn't.
No. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Aren't your back in some bit?
Was any of that good?
Fire.